Students, good morning to one and all. Today we are talking now. One topic is remaining topic, that is pineal gland. So all of you know that what is a gland. There are the various glands are present in the body, and these glands secrete the secretions, and that secretions called the hormones. So in last period and last unit we studied it very well. Hormones are the chemical substances secreted in the body, and after secretion guide and control metabolic activities, various systems, and even balance of the body. Hormones maintain the physiological balance of the body. Okay, so hormones are connected with, it means endocrine system connected with nervous system and to form the neuroendocrine system, and both this system maintain the homeostasis in the body, that is to maintain the stability and equilibrium within the internal conditions of the body. So one question or in your exam, just like the comments on the following. So comments on the pineal gland, or comments on the melatonin, comments on the serotonin. So what are about this? So or write a note on the pineal gland for the only 5 marks. So pineal gland is situated just on the stalk between the two halves of the brain. Okay, so between the brains, that is a diencephalon, roof of the diencephalon, there is a just floor of the diencephalon, pituitary gland is present, and roof of the diencephalon there is a pineal gland is present. This is the location, this is the difference between in case of the location of the pineal gland and the pituitary gland. Pituitary gland called the hypophysis, means hypo means below, which are present just below the diencephalon, and just above the diencephalon there is a pineal gland is present, roof of the diencephalon, just in the form of stalk. In some vertebrates, for example lampreys, the pineal gland is quite large structure, hence it is located directly under the skin of the head, and the skin at that point is transparent. In these animals, the pineal gland is actually the third functional eye, situated on the top of the head, hence called the third functional eye. This pineal gland plays an important regulatory role in sexual and reproductive function, at least in some lower animals. The pineal, why the pineal gland plays a very important role in sexual and reproductive function, or which control the sexual drive and reproduction in human, because this pineal gland secrete the important hormone, that is a melatonin, and second one is serotonin. So melatonin act as a anti-gonadotropic hormones. Anti means to oppose, and gonado means gonad. Ovary and testes are collectively called a gonad. Ovary called a female, primary female reproductive organ. Testis called a primary male reproductive organ. Which, and beside it act as a dual function. It perform the function of reproduction. Beside it secrete the sex hormones such as estrogen and progesterone in case of female, and testosterone in male, and all the secondary sexual character which control the sex of organism, that is depends upon the sex hormone. So just students, there is a, do you understand, there is a before adolescence period, there is a beginning of menstrual cycle in girls, or there is a beard and mustaches and secretion of semen, whitish fluid of the male. In case of boys, no, because that such kind of changes takes place from the adolescence period, because adolescence are the condition or transition period between childhood and the adulthood. So because why this such kind of changes not happen in childhood condition, because due to it pineal gland secrete the hormone melatonin, and melatonin act as anti-gonadotropic hormones, which oppose the secretion of the hormones of the gonads, means ovary and testes, and during the before the adolescence period, and there is a new beginning of menstrual cycle in the age of 6 to 7 age of girls, or no beard and mustaches in case of small boys. So because due to the melatonin, and hence which plays a very important role in sexual and reproductive function. The pineal gland is photosensitive and is controlled by the amount of light or time pattern of light seen by the eyes each day, means which maintain the biological rhythm, or the circadian rhythm. There is a sexual excitement during night, and because due to such kind of secretions from the pineal gland. Melatonin secreted by the pineal gland is believed to pass either by way of blood or through the fluid of the third ventricle to the adenohypophysis, that is anterior part of the pituitary gland, and to suppress the gonadotropic hormones secretion. This occurs during the early winter months. Thereafter, the gonadotropic hormone secretes breaks through the inhibitory effect of the pineal glands and the gonads till the gonads become fully functional. In humans, there is a tumors often occur in the region of the pineal gland. Such tumors are often associated with serious hypogonadal or hypo or the hypergonadal function. Hyper means more and the hypo means less, means more than secretion of the gonads or less secretion from the gonads. Therefore, it appears that pineal gland plays at least some role in controlling the sexual drive and reproduction in humans. Besides, it secretes a second hormone, that is a serotonin, and serotonin act as a neurotransmitter, which is very useful for the transmission of the nerve impulses. Just like there are the different kinds of the neurotransmitters such as serotonin, then gamma aminobutyric acid, dopamine. So one of the secretion, that is serotonin, which are secreted from the pineal gland and which act as a neurotransmitter and which plays an very important role in transmission of the nerve impulses. So this is a very short topic regarding only ask for the 1 marks questions or the maybe for the 5 marks questions. So with the help of label diagram, describe the or write a note on the pineal gland. So here finish my topic, student. Thank you very much.